second round knockdown. Great check hook there from Abne. Pero ngayon, oh my goodness! Down goes April J. Abne for the second time in the fight. But he stand out. I think that's a body. Let's see. Now Espinas smelling some blood, and that might do it. That might do it. Jesse Espinas claims the vacant IBF Asia flyweight title. A crowning moment from the Little Giant.